Tell the story of how we got it.
Okay, so I posted a funny video on my Instagram page last night. Guys, if you're on top man, or man is on top you right now, you better calm down, you push him away. You see back pain, waist pain? It's real.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I was just frustrated. Why don't they tell the pregnant women that this is what you should expect before you get pregnant? Because before you marry, they'll do marriage counseling. But before you carry pregnant, they do pre-birth counseling. So I posted it and people were commenting and all of that. And I just remember that my dad usually comes here now. So I tagged him and I said, please, is there a solution for me, pregnant women? And he was online, he responded and said yes now. And I was so happy. Immediately I sent the WhatsApp message and he also told me that someone who I know, Stotch, came to do this adjustment when she was pregnant. And I remember that's true. Like, Stotch too commented, she responded and said yes, that she did this procedure when she was pregnant. What's that going to find sense?
Your stomach is not because you're overweight.
No.
It's not.
Yeah, 7 months plus.
7 months plus.
Yes. Oh, Jehovah. Jesus. Oh! Babe, that will enter.
Yes, yeah.
And it's not painful, though.
I never know.
Oh. Ooh. Oh! Babe, that left side, I've been complaining of. Yenta. Oh.
A few moments later.
I feel like if I go into labor now, they ask me to push, I can comfortably all the nuts and bolts have been losing. Like, I feel I'm ready to conquer. I feel like labor has got nothing of me right now.
Good, I don't have the labor here.
Please give pregnant women more awareness on this.
This is the way.
We don't say we need this thing. We're always scared that. Thank you, Doc.
Yes. Okay, so it's not that you overate. How many months are you? Your stomach is not because you overate.
No.
It's not.
Yeah, 7 months plus.
7 months plus.
Yes.
You know the weeks, but you don't know the months.
Once the girl has belly, they calculate them now. It's different.
So it's mostly back pain or your neck as well?
Back and waist. Oh, Jehovah. Jesus.
They can't sleep.
Oh! Babe, that will enter.
Yes, yeah.
Ooh. And it's not painful, though.
I never know.
Oh. Ooh.
Turn the other way.
Hey.
The English is not English again.
Oh! Babe, that left side, I've been complaining of. Yenta.
I wish you can see his face. He just a look.
That left side has been paining me since. Oh God, it's not easy. Yeah. Yenta. Can I sleep like this?
No, we never finish.
Yeah.
Well, you can, but remember to put pillow there.
Yeah, I always do that. What do I do?
Come on.
I swear that won't enter.
Come to this one.
I'm going to sleep this night.
You come this way. I hope you're going home from there.
I'm straight home.
Relax here. Down more.
Oh, Jesus. Mommy.
Relax this. Down.
Oh God, babe, that place has been paining me.
Oh, yeah.
That me too.
You can come.
I'm coming.
Take your time.
That place has been paining me.
Sorry.
So after this one now, you can lift a bag of rice.
No, you lift him. You are not going to lift him.
Thank you.
Come to this one. Where do you feel it in your waist?
My ankle, yeah, because it's been swollen and painful to walk.
Just head up. Let the head move. Keep your hand at your stomach.
Oh. Oh, God.
Stay, don't come up.
I feel like if I go into labor now, they ask me to push, I can comfortably
You can push together.
all the tension and all
Let
the
me address that. Don't go into labor. You're not in the right place.
all the nuts and bolts have been losing. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Hey, God.
Just make sure that when you get home, just rest.
Yeah. Oh, God. I swear.
Okay. Try and come up. Remember, turn to your side.
Yeah.
You don't even get choice now. That's what you must do.
Elbow. Jesus. Whew. Relief, especially this place. Yeah, and this like every night I've been using a boniki. Like I can't go to bed.
I put it. Well, that's your husband. Yeah, put you.
And then when I'm walking, I'm limping. Like this whole left side just pain me. So I'm like, why am I putting my hand here to be walking like?
Because you're pregnant and you feel like this is the thing to do.
Because that's the only way I can walk comfortably. Like the back and waist pain.
Even some, you shedded small tears. Oh, not sweat.
Not tears or tears of joy. Like even when I use pillow to sleep, because I use like 4 baby pillows, 5 pillows.
So how many do you now use now? Nothing left for you.
I use like 5 pillows. So I'll put one behind my back. I'll put one under my stomach. I'll put one in between
Just anything
my
that will
leg.
just feel you.
I'll put under my head again. And in the night, my back will still be pinning me. I'm looking for the balance. I try to begin the kick too, you know, say.
It's time, try move small.
Hey, I feel I'm ready to conquer. I feel like labor has got nothing of me right now.
Dude, they don't have the labor here. I support you, but that labor, don't try up here.
Oh, please give pregnant women more awareness on this.
Now,
We don't
this
know,
is,
say.
this is the way.
We don't know, say we need this thing. You know, we're always scared that, baby should not go and
It's when you're pregnant, the spine is making room for the baby, so making sure it's aligned.
Pressure.
Yeah.
Hi, God, the kind of stuff we have to sleep this night there.
If you came to your husband, so I won't ask you, did you drive?
Man. I wanted to take you, I have to beg him that please.
It's good. And I better husband.
Drop me a bit.
If they give award now.
Now we're done.
Husband of the year.
I've been now.
Of the year or the month?
You need a try. That one I give it to you. You
Wait,
need a try.
not year, month. Because other husbands day. Yeah, we're gonna share the award. You get one this month, next month someone else.
If not by that one, you did try.
Yeah.
This is.
Sorry.
Baby,
Wait, how did we get here? Tell the story of how we got here.
Okay, so I posted a funny video on my Instagram page last night. You know, it was just I was just frustrated. I was tired. Like, why don't they tell pregnant women that this is what you should expect before you get pregnant? Because before you marry, they'll do marriage counseling. But before you carry pregnant, they do pre-birth counseling. So I posted it, and people were commenting and all of that. And I just remember that my dad usually comes here now. So I tagged him and I said, please, is there a solution for me, pregnant women? And he was online, he responded and said, yes, now. And I was so happy. Immediately I sent the WhatsApp message. I dropped a message, I won't forget the next morning. And he also told me that someone who I know, Stotch, came to do this adjustment when she was pregnant. And I remember that's true. Like, I don't know, maybe just 2021. Yes, it's been a while. And Stotch too commented, she responded and said yes, that she did this procedure when she was pregnant. What's I can't define sense?
Now you're about thinking of having labor in my office.
So immediately the customer rep responded this morning and she was asking when I want to come in. Immediately I asked her, I said, can I come in today? Like, give me time, I will come. Not tomorrow, not next tomorrow. So I cancelled everything I had to do and I found myself here and
so just rest.
Yeah, babe.
Oh.
So no more Boniki Robin.
Now even you said I just feel that for you too. Because maybe you too rest. It's not easy. Well done.
Thank you, dog.
Yes.